In this video, guys, I'll be showing us how to make a whole lot of cash. Like you'll be earning up to 20 something thousand every day, like 28,000, 30,000 every day from this site, in every day from this site, just by doing simple tasks, which is not take us long. So, but first of all, I just have to show the sign up links so that you just sign up once and get started. So when you just click the link I'll be dropping in the description below, it will take you to this site where you have to put in your first name, your last name. You go ahead and put in your email, your username, you put your password, and you write your password again, which is confirm password. So when you get to this last box here, you see invited you see succeed, just leave it like that. Or if there's no succeed written here, go ahead and type it. It's very important. So I'll be getting the welcome bonus of 800 immediately you sign up. So when you do that, you click on this small box here, and that you've agreed with terms and conditions. You go ahead and click on sign up immediately. So when you sign up, that's the only thing you have to do. When you sign up, they'll be showing you where to log in. So I have an account with them already. I'll just go ahead and log in. I'll click my email and my password. So once I do that, I'll click this small box here that say remember me, and I'll click on login. So once I click on login, it will take me to the dashboard. As you can see, the dashboard, yeah, they say welcome back, success Nathaniel, and my balance here is 800 naira. Wow, those were welcoming bonus. Like for just creating an account with them, you have 800 naira. So before we proceed, let me use this time to introduce myself. Success Nathaniel. As I say, this dashboard, Success Nathaniel. So on the site, the channel we're working on is SN Crypto World. So guys, you're welcome to this channel. Please, if this is your first time to come up on board in this channel, please hit that red subscribe button, and please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video. All right, guys, thank you, because I know you've done that. All right, let's proceed. When you come to this site, go to this three dotted line at the left hand side here, or just do that. You'll be see your dashboard, you'll see your deposit, you'll be see your investment history, withdrawal funds, referral history, payments update, edit profile, and log out. So here you just have to, your dashboard is just where we're coming from. Your deposit is the amount you have to deposit to start earning from this site. Actually, this site is an investment site. Yeah, it's an investment site, but you're earning hugely from this site. It's not like other investment site that pays you a token, but I'll be showing you everything in fullness. Then this invest fund, I'll just show you. This investment is just like what you earn when you invest. I'll be showing you that the investment history is everything you've done about the investment platform. You'll be seeing it there. Your withdrawal funds, the same thing. Your referral, when you refer someone, you see it here. You see your history, payment update. This payment update is where you can link your bank, your pay, where you want to get your money from, and your edit. I'll just show you everything. So I'll just go straight and deposit. Yes, I'll deposit. Before I deposit, let me show you your earnings from this deposit. I'll just click on invest fund, and I'll show you how your earnings for you to deposit in this site, and see how sweet and how awesome this site is. So I'll just go ahead and click on that invest fund. Sorry, you just have to open right away. Click on invest fund. You'll be seeing this dashboard here. You'll be seeing plan one. This plan one is they will pay you 300 naira daily from this plan one. Like this plan one, all you just have to do to be earning this is just to invest the minimum amount of 3,000. Like when you invest 3,000, you'll be earning 3,000. You'll be earning 300 naira daily, as you can see here, and you're earning for how many days? For 80 good days. That's the duration here, as you can see it here, 80 good days. All you just have to do is just to click on invest plan and start earning this money. So like, check it. When you earn 300 for 80 days, it's a huge lot of money. Let's rush and do the calculation so that you'll be seeing what you shouldn't miss. I'll just go ahead and type 300 here times 28. Sorry, not 28, times 80 days. See, you're earning a whole lot of 24,000 naira, and you just invested token of 3,000. So you see, you have like 21,000 naira profit from this site. Man, you don't have to miss this for anything. And if you go ahead to invest 5,000, you'll be earning 550 every single day, and for 80 days also. When you do the calculation, you'll be seeing it like in less than 10 days you've earned your capital, and others is just your profit. Like if you invest 10,000, you're earning 1,200. This one is not up to 10 days you earn your profit. I think it's just 6 or 7 days you earn your 10,000 back, and the rest 73 days you're just earning free 1,200 from this site. Like every day you're receiving it. It's not like a week time, or this 6,000 naira daily like you're gaining. So if you have this kind of amount, 50k, go ahead and deposit it. You'll be earning 6,000 naira. There are many plans there. There are plan ending plan 8, which you'll be earning 130,000 every single day when you deposit 1 mil. Man, this is a sweet site to work on. So first of all, just go and log in, go and deposit. I'll click on this deposit here. When you click on this deposit, it will take you to dashboard where you have to phone in some cash. So I'll just go here and type and this place that said enter amount. Just let's go with the minimum amount here, which is 3,000. Let's do that first. Maybe then when you go there, look at these two options below. If you want to deposit maybe to your cryptocurrency, you can use the down icon. But if you want to use your bank, you can go to bank transfer. But because of the interest of this video, I'll be doing bank because I wanted doing the crypto. But for the interest of people that don't know more about crypto, let's use our normal bank. Then I'll just go ahead and click on deposit now. When I get this icon below it, deposit now, they will not take me to where I have to run my deposit. You see summary of the deposit, which is 3,000 naira. Then pending and also things there. I'll just go ahead and click on proceed to make payment. So I'll just click on proceed to make payment. Then look at the account name they want me to send the money to. So what I just have to do now is to click on this copy account number. When I click on copy account number, I see copy successfully. Yes. Then I'll now know the account name, which is Kelechi Simeon something Udoka. So that's the account name. You go ahead and click on what else? Okay, you just know the account name and the bank name. The number have been copied already, so you just go up, and there's one important thing you have to know here. So just when you go up, once you made your payment, make sure you screenshot the payment from your dashboard, and you do what? You click here and upload it. When you click here and upload it, you just click on this small box here and click on save now for them to confirm yes you've made the payment. That's the process. So right now I'll go to pause this video and I'll make the payment with normal process. We've been doing our transfer. Just go ahead, but once you even though you use your USD code, they must debit you. So once they debit you, screenshot the debit upload it here. So that does it. But if you use your POS, you can snap the teller. If you any means you just make sure you snap and post it here. So that does it. So I'll just pause it. When I do the normal transfer, which that one is normal, everybody can do it, then I'll come here and continue and show you what next to do. So I'll be pausing it right now. As after making the payment, I got an email. So like right now, as you can see, I'm in my email. They said dear success Nathaniel, what is this here? You have successfully uploaded deposit proof of 3,000. So they just sent me email. So I'll just show you how I did the upload. So I'll just go to my to the site. So when you just do yours, you go to this see file upload. Make sure you screenshot it. Just click on let me go back. Click on this place that say drag and drop a file, or click. So when you go there, now select the image at which you deposit. So you select the image. Actually, this is not the image. When you just select the image, look at my transfer here. So this is the transfer I just made, 3,000 naira. So this is it here. I'll click on this small box here that says I have successfully made payment to the account above. So when you just click on this small box, you now go ahead and click on save now. So when you click on save now, they'll be sending you an email instantly to your email. Just to show, then see well done, saved successfully. Click on OK. So right now they'll refresh me back to my dashboard. So okay, you have sent me a message now. All right, so as you can see, I still have my 800 here. So I'll be waiting a while for them to top up my account, because it's always normal when you do transfer, it don't just go instantly. So you just wait like some minutes. So that's just it. So I'll pause this video. When the money does pop in, I'll continue and show you what next to do. So guys, the 3,000 I deposited have appeared to my to this site, my dashboard. As you can see, look at here, total investment 3,000. So and I still have my 800 naira. So what I have to do is now to invest this money. So I've actually invested, but I'll show you the way you have to do yours. You click on this three dash on the left top hand side here. When you click on it, you come to this invest fund. When you come to this invest fund, actually I've showed you this place before. So right now this is the place you are going to put in that amount. So what you just have to do is, since I'm going with the one of 3,000, in case you are doing 5,000, which is to be any 10,000 to be any 1-2 daily, for all of them for 80 days, you can just go ahead and click on this place that they say invest plan. When you click on invest plan, they will not tell you are you sure you want to invest this plan to plan. Just click on OK, then you will invest it automatically for you. So that's what I just did here. I click on this. As you can see here, is written reinvestment plan. Reinvest plan, that means I've invested before, so that's one I just invest. So I just did it right now. So my 3,000 being in stake with them. So for me to be earning my daily pay, like 24 hours from now, I'll be earning 300, 24 hours from now, I'll be earning just like that continuously for complete 80 days. So that's just how it is. So go ahead and do yours now. It's actually a good site and newly launched, so there's no fear about it. All right, I'll be showing some things about you have to know, like the referral program about this site, but the referral is not compulsory. You can still withdraw without referring, but in case you want to refer, you just click on the referral program, you take it up, you copy your referral link here. As you can see, I have like 2 referral right now. I look at the statistic here, look at the 2 referral downline here. So but actually they have not deposited once. Once they deposit, I'll be having, like they say, I'll get 5% credit maybe from their from who I refer. And for the referral program, the one good thing about it, you are earning to the 5th generation of it. As you can see, 5% for the 1st generation, 4% for the 2nd generation, 3% for the 3rd generation, 2% for the 4th generation, and 1% for the 5th generation. So this generation is just like, I'm referring you're referring on that person brought on that person, and so they keep coming to the 5th person. That's where they stop. Then that means you can still be earning while your income, your commission is still increasing, while other people are investing and bringing people in, you are earning. So that's just one good thing about it. So once your downline deposit, actually they will deposit, because you can't earn from this side without depositing. So that's just it. So that's about the different, but it's not compulsory, but if you wish to go on, you go. So clicking on this 3 dotted line at the left hand side, I'll show us how to input your payment details. Like you want to withdraw your money, you go to this payment update. When you go to this payment update, it will give you link to put in your bank details or your trust your crypto wallet account, depending on the one you want to use. So right now, look at it here. You can put it. Look at where you can put your withdrawing this thing. When you come here, you see this arrow here. You just click on it. You see if you want to withdraw using your USDT TRC20, you just go ahead and go to your wallet address. Go to your TRC. You find one that they write TRC20. When you come here, when you click on it, you come here and paste this, place the right account and paste it. Then you click on update account. But for the interest of we in Nigeria, we'll be using my local bank account so that we'll be seeing it. I'll just come here and click on bank transfer. So this bank transfer, they'll ask me now choose bank. I'll now go ahead and choose bank. I have OPay. I can see it's OPay. Okay, but let me just click my GTB here. Look at OPay in case you have OPay or other bank. You can go and use other bank here. So actually, let me click my GTB. Where is the GTB? I'll just click GTB now. It appears. Then I'll go ahead and put my account number here. So when I put my account number, okay, sorry, I made a mistake. Let me just go ahead and put my account number. So when I just do so now, 47, yeah. When I just do so, I'll click on update account. So that does it. So once I do that, I'll be receiving my pay. Look at, I'll put my account number. If you look at the two are there, so both my USDT and mine. So anyone want to withdraw from, I'll just go ahead and withdraw from it. So that does it. When I reach, when I start to join, I'll go ahead and do so, and I'll make a video on that. So that does it. Look at edit profile. Once you want to change some password, you can go ahead and do that. So there's no other thing here we have to be discussing. So that's it. So rush now, guys, and go and invest. Like go and invest depending on the amount you wish you can. You are able to take. So once you invest, you'll be earning daily. You can't imagine you having 1,200 daily. It's not like you are referring someone. This is also a daily money you are earning from this side, or getting 6,000 daily. So guys, it's all left for you. So invest right now that I just did mine, so we can withdraw together. All right, guys. So if you find value in this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Like this video, please, and hit that red subscribe button, and please don't forget to share to your friends. Like if you can get a friend to subscribe to the channel, you always come to my DM. I'll always show you appreciation towards that. All right, guys, so see you in my next video that I'll be dropping very soon. Thank you so much.